The sun sets over the chaotic beauty of a Bangkok night market. The smells of 1,000 street vendors hitting you like a warm wave. You're here, you're alive, you're ready to eat your way through Southeast Asia. But hold up, amigo. Before you dive headfirst into that bowl of steaming noodles, let's talk about travel. Are you planning your next big trip in 2024? Make sure it's smooth sailing by avoiding these common travel mistakes. We're going deep, folks, into the heart of what can go wrong and how to sidestep those travel landmines. Trust me, a little preparation goes a long way. Number 1. Let's talk about money. You don't want to lose money just because you didn't check the exchange rate. It's easy. Download a currency converter app on your phone. There are many available. And avoid airport exchange kiosks. They usually have bad rates. When you're shopping, don't be afraid to bargain. It's like a game, a give and take. Look the vendor in the eye, be confident, and don't be afraid to walk away. Most of the time, they'll offer you a better price if you start to leave. And remember, cash is important. Credit cards are handy, but they can have hidden fees that add up quickly. Number 2. Look, I'm not saying you need to become fluent in Mandarin overnight, but learn a few basic phrases. Hello, thank you, bathroom. These are your weapons of mass connection. It's about respect, showing the locals you're making an effort, even if your pronunciation sounds like a dying yak. Trust me, it goes a long way. And it's not just about the language, it's about understanding the damn culture. Do your research, man. What's considered polite? What's taboo? You don't want to end up accidentally offending someone because you didn't know any better. Remember that time I ate that fermented shark in Iceland? Yeah, let's just say a little cultural awareness would have saved me from that culinary nightmare. Number 4. Listen up, procrastinators. If you think you can just waltz into a new city and snag a sweet hotel room at the last minute, you're living in a fantasy world. This ain't your grandma's house. This is the real deal. Booking in advance is crucial, especially during peak seasons. Trust me, you don't want to end up sleeping on a park bench because you thought you could wing it. Plus, early birds get the best deals, man. Websites, apps, travel agents. Use all the tools at your disposal to find the best rates and secure that perfect room. And don't forget to read the reviews. Those bad boys are gold mines of information. You think I'd ever stay in a place with less than 4 stars? Think again. Number 5. Let's face it, taxis are for suckers. Expensive, sterile, and about as authentic as a plastic spork. If you want to truly experience a city's soul, you gotta ditch the comfort of those air-conditioned cages and embrace the chaos of local transportation. Hop on a rickety bus, cram yourself into a crowded subway car, hell, rent a scooter and risk your life navigating the urban jungle. It's not just about saving a few bucks. It's about immersing yourself in the rhythm of the city, rubbing shoulders with the people who call it home. You'll see things, hear things, smell things that would make your travel agent faint. But trust me, those are the experiences that will stay with you long after you've returned your rental scooter.
Number 6. Look, the world is a constantly evolving beast. Political climates change, natural disasters strike, restaurants close down. The last thing you want is to be caught off guard because you relied on outdated information. So do your homework, folks. Check travel advisories, read up on current events, and for God's sake, make sure your vaccinations are up to date. Knowledge is power, especially when you're navigating the unpredictable terrain of a foreign land. Remember, preparation is key. Don't be that clueless tourist wandering around lost and confused. Be informed, be aware, and be ready for anything.
There you have it, folks. my no-bullshit guide to avoiding common travel mistakes. With these tips, you're all set for a hassle-free adventure in 2024. Safe travels. Remember, travel is about embracing the unknown, pushing your boundaries, and tasting the world one delicious bite at a time. So, get out there, explore, and don't forget to share your stories with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more travel tips.